Important verbs in Spanish, set 1. Important verbs in Spanish, set number 1. Acabar de, to have just. Acabar de, infinitivo, to have just done something. Comenzar, to begin. Continuar, to continue. Dar, to give. Darse cuenta de, to realize. Deber, to must or to have to. Decidir, to decide. Dejar de, to stop doing something. Echar, to throw. Empezar, to begin. So how can you make the most of that video? I've got a couple of ideas here. Pin your ears back. Firstly, why not interact with it? Listen to it again, perhaps stop it and then repeat what has actually been said. So listen to it again and repeat some of the things which have been said. Great interactive practice. And secondly, why don't you make some written notes as well? The physical involvement will be so important. So once you've done that, why don't you go over to either Spanish GCSE on the net or howtolearnspanish.co, and there you can do some Quizlets. These are electronic flashcards which will bring your Spanish on absolutely a real treat. So go over to SpanishGCSEonthenet.co.uk or howtolearnspanish.co, and most importantly, have some fun. If you enjoyed that video, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel?